Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. Join the team. Come on in. Bring it on in. All of that. So today's video, I just have this simple signature type of glam look. It was very easy to do. If you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna hop right on in. I already did my brows and I really don't like the way my brows turned out today because this was like my third time doing these brows and I could not get them together for some reason today, even though I had did them on bleak yesterday. Now, yeah, I just pretty much went in with the same stuff that I always go in with, but today they don't look as good as I like them to look. But I'm not gonna make this video too long. I will be doing a simple glam for you guys, and you know, something that you could probably do. Yeah, so if you guys want a updated brow routine with them looking how I like them to look, you know, I'll get that out for you guys. So I'm gonna just go back in with the shade Fun and just prime my lids. Okay you guys, so now that I got my base down, I'm gonna go hop in with the 24G palette from Morphe, and then I'm just gonna take this brown shade and use that in my crease area, which is right here. Okay you guys, so now that I got that color down, I'm gonna go in with like more of a darker brown. I'm gonna just go ahead and take this color that's right next to it right here. Okay guys, so now that I got that color down, I'm gonna just go ahead in with this brown shade right here. And I know you guys always see me use this for like my contour shade sometimes, and I'm gonna just take that in the crease, like a little bit underneath the crease. Okay yeah, so I blended that out. I'm just gonna make it even darker because it's not as dark as I want it on the outer V. So I'm gonna go back in with this same palette, and I'm gonna take this same Morphe R35 brush, and I'm just going in with this brown shade right here and just put that on the outer V. Okay y'all, so this is pretty much how it's gonna be. Then I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. concealer. This is in the shade Tan Latte. I know y'all probably tired of me using this, but I love this. Okay, so I'm gonna just pretty much do what I did in my last tutorial. It's not a cut crease, it's just like you just putting the concealer on your lid, but you kind of making it neat, so you kind of faking a cut crease. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much how this is going to be looking. So next I will be going in with the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to be taking this white shade called Kissy or Kessie or whatever it's called. I'm going to be taking it and just putting it on top of this. Okay y'all, so now that that's on, I will be going in with the Jala Rue Cosmetics. It's in the shade White Gold, and I'm just going to be popping it on top of there. On second note, I'm going to kind of come over just a little bit because I don't feel like I went over enough with the concealer. So finally going back in with this 24G palette, I'm just going to take that dark shade and just blend out the edges. Okay y'all, so this is pretty much how this is going to be looking. I'm going to go ahead and put on my liner. In today's liner, I will be going in with my favorite liner, which is the Black Radiance liner in the color black. It is the Fine Liquid Eyeliner. Do y'all see why your girl love that liner? I love that liner, y'all. So next I will be going in with the Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Mascara. I love this too. Okay, so going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fun, I'm just going to clean up my eyeshadow and my liner. Next, I will be putting my lashes on last, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into some moisture. So I will be going in with this Pond's. Y'all know what the deal, the drill, and everything about. I'm gonna go in with this sample Cover FX. It's the magnifying primer, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of that because it's like an oil jelly, but it doesn't break my face out. But I don't put too much of it because I'm not a person who suffers from like a lot of shine or whatever with my makeup. Okay, so I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty. I'm in the shade 420. Okay, so I will be going in with this Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS, and it's in the shade Walnut, and I will just be highlighting all the areas that I highlight. Okay, so I'm going in with this Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, so I'm going back in with my foundation brush and blending out the edges. Okay, so I will be going in with this CoverGirl loose powder. It's the translucent medium 115. Okay, so I will be going in with the City Bronzer today, and it's in the shade 300. Okay, you guys, so today I will be going in with the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. And I'm going to take this dark shade and this contour. Okay, you guys, so I will be going in with the Creamy Bronze Finishing Powder from Black Radiance. Okay, you guys, so today I will be going in with this Ring the Alarm palette from Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just going to take this brown shade right here. It's called Secret, and I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line. Okay, you guys, so I will be going in with this Ruby Kisses black eyeliner and just putting it on the lower lash line. Okay, so going back in with the Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Mascara, I'm just going to do my bottom lash. So I'm going back in with this palette. This is the 24G palette, and I'm just going to take this coral shade right here as a blush. Okay, so going back in with this same palette, I'm going to take this gold shade and highlight my brow bone. So that's a little too much. We're just going to go blend it out with that first shade. So going in with this Warrior palette, I will be taking this shade here and putting it on my brow bone as well. Going back in with this Warrior palette. I love this palette, y'all. I'm going to be taking this shade up here to highlight my face. I'm going to take with this shade here and do my inner corners. So I did not contour my nose, but I will be going in with this palette, same 24G palette, and just taking this brown shade to contour my nose. So for lips today, I will be going in with this Wet n Wild pencil. Okay, so I will be going in with this Catching Feelings from Dose of Colors. And then I will be going in with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. So I will be going in with this Clinique Matte Suede Lipstick to make it even more nude because it's not as nude as I want it. We'll be going in with this Black Radiance Hydrating Setting Spray. Going in with this part of the sponge and tapping it in. So for today's lashes, I will be going in with the pastel lashes, and these are in the style Minty. I will leave my code on the screen and also down below in the description box for you guys. And I will be putting my lashes on with Duo Lash Glue. And you guys, that'll be the complete look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up if you did. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to my channel. It will help me out so much, you guys. And also turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time your girl upload a video. Okay, I really like the way this look came out. I'm really trying to tone my makeup down a little bit, you know, for some people who want to actually recreate the looks that I do. But I will be popping out them color looks soon. So if you guys want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, you can always follow me on all my social networks that I have, which is Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, all of that good stuff that I list. I will leave it on the screen and also down below in the description box for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.